Alright, we know why we're here. As the title says, Glock 27 unboxing. Let's open it up. Alright, so in the box comes two 9-round magazines, speed loader, some cleaning tools, and then a user manual's up there. Let's get this out the way. So, has a 3.43 inch barrel. It's about an inch wide, just a little bit over an inch wide. Standard magazines are 9 rounds, but it can accept all Glock 40 cal magazines, including this 10 round magazine with the Glock OEM extended base plate. Anyway, so what are the uses for a gun like this? This is a great concealed carry weapon if it's your primary weapon, or you can use it as a backup to a duty size or compact size weapon. Some of the cons to the Glock 27 are the cost of ammo, the capacity, and felt recoil are typical criticisms when compared to 9mm. However, the pros are that it packs more of a punch than 9mm and typically penetrates more than 45 auto. And also, in ammo shortages, 40 cal is typically available, whereas everyone else is using 9mm. Glock 27. Pretty excited about this one as well. Yeah. All stock. We'll talk about upgrades in the next video. Catch y'all later. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Peace.